Imagine a hidden network inside you like a secret symphony of nerves, immune cells, and even gut bacteria, each playing a part in your health. People don't hear this symphony, but it's constantly playing. I'm Dr. Kristen Sparrow, pediatrician, anesthesiologist, practicing acupuncturist, and today I'll show you how ancient wisdom meets modern science to unlock a system for healthy, long life you didn't know you had. In a recent paper, please see the reference in the details, the authors lay out the current science, but also the very real potential for using acupuncture as a tool to bolster immunity, reduce inflammation, and improve the gut lining. It can do these three powerful fixes by leveraging your autonomic nervous system. To quote the authors, emerging bioelectronic devices based on somatosensory autonomic reflex circuits are driving evolution of acupuncture from empiric practice to precision neuromodulation. Somatosensory autonomic reflex means what you sense in your body and how it affects the autonomic nervous system, your fight, flight, and your reflex versus rest and digest. Neuromodulation is a relatively new treatment that seeks to affect the nervous system not with drugs, but with a stimulation to the body. Implanted vagal nerve and spinal cord stimulators are examples, but acupuncture is an ancient method of this neuromodulation that doesn't require surgery and is decidedly safe. The authors point out that with refined profiling and monitoring, and maybe even AI-generated algorithms, we might be able to map out precise means to tune the orchestra of our body's systems. This has been the aspirational end goal of acupuncture practice for centuries. Let's start with the needle itself. In traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture isn't just a poke, it's precise conversation with your body. When the needle touches your skin, it converts this perturbation of your system into electric and chemical signals, an age-old response to this tiny, barely perceptible injury. These signals work locally, but also go to the brain stem and back, modifying the pain and immune response. This isn't just local magic. It reshapes your immune environment, rewriting how your cells respond to stress and injury. But the real story isn't just skin deep. The autonomic nervous system is your body's backstage manager, which can trigger the hyperactivity of fight or flight in response to a threat, but also can calm your stress. Since in our culture we're often in a chronic state of hypervigilance and stress, we benefit from acupuncture, which triggers the vagus nerve to calm down and evoke rest and digest. The vagus nerve is a crucial part of the autonomic nervous system known as the calming nerve, quiets stress, and in turn lowers inflammation. Acupuncture becomes the conductor of this hidden orchestra, balancing these systems in real time. And here's where it gets really fascinating and even more powerful. Acupuncture even talks to your gut. How? Through the vagus nerve. And your gut microbes exchange messages with your brain like an ancient text messaging system that keeps your gut lining strong and your immune system on track. Acupuncture doesn't just help digestion, it reinforces this gut-brain conversation, creating harmony from the inside out in a classic feed-forward virtuous cycle. But now we're in an era where ancient practices meet cutting-edge technology. Bioelectronic devices are mapping these neural circuits, making acupuncture more precise and more powerful. In my book, Radical Resilience, I explore how to tap into this secret symphony and treat the root of disease and keep your body tuned up so that you're better able to withstand toxins, trauma, heartbreak, and illness. This is the promise of ancient medicine, treating in advance to avoid illness and upset, treating the root, as it's called, not just treating the branches or outward symptoms. But keep in mind, acupuncture is not the only way to improve vagal activity. I have resources on this topic on my YouTube channel and in my blog. So please subscribe and learn more tips on how to stay well and live long. Leave a comment too.